See you guys. Bye. So here's the mushroom from wait, you're in the light. Here's the mushroom from the mushroom meeting, the farm meeting that we had. Yay. So we've got at least one mushroom. There's more coming. I think I'm gonna let that one grow one more day, and we'll see what we get from it. But cool. So that's one of my first fruit trees right there. It's an apricot tree. It does bear fruit. It's the winter time, so it's dormant right now. There's a rose, red rose, and that's a lilac. No, it's red. Oh, pink rose. Got some great hyacinths right there. So I got a bunch of seeds started in here. This used to be the chick thing, but now I could keep the chickens out, so got all kinds of stuff started in here. It's cool because you can water it. If it gets cold, I can cover it with plastic to protect it. So this is an apple tree right here. That's a Santa Rosa plum. We got some lettuce in here. Got some carrots right there. Got some sweet peas right there. Shit. Got a sweet pea blossom. This here's a golden delicious apple. That's my pomegranate tree right there. This here is what is it? Pear. Hope it's alive. Yeah. So, got some life in it. Pear tree. What's this? Peach. The peach blossom. More winter greens right here. Got a lot of this is stinging nettles. This is lettuce. That's all ready to eat. We got cilantro in here, spinach in there. We're working on this stuff. The pomegranate tree is sending out leaves. This is the fig tree I just planted. I just bought this one. I replaced it. I put there was another fig tree here. This pot doesn't have a bottom on it. I'm trying to protect it as much as I can. Ugh, I was so devastated. That was such a good fig tree. Of course, this is my amazing mulberry tree, the best tree here. And here's my almond tree. It's got lots of blooms on it. Smells fantastic. There's my house right there. This is another mulberry tree. Yeah, that's the one I planted last year, or bought last year, the year before, and they gave me mulberries, a couple. And there's another mulberry tree right there. So another pear tree. There's a plum tree, apricot tree, peach tree, Bunch of fruit trees.